There are reports that the cub's father, Charger, is back in the neighbourhood. Trunk Cam spots him first and discovers that he has made an extraordinary kill. The high view from Elephant Back reveals just what he's eating. A sloth bear. Killing a sloth bear shows just what a strong individual he is. Bears are formidable animals and have even been known to attack tigers. The bear must have been difficult to kill, and plucking it certainly took some time, for the result looks like a rug on the forest floor.